All right, we are first 30 minutes into this. Let's see if we got Bluff.
Hey, welcome to the garden. My mom is printing some food for us so we can eat. And also, Daddy got a new drum.
This white spot right here. It's what we thought, but I already tell you it's not exactly what we thought, because I'm stepping down here and now I'm not the same height as I was up here. So it may not be exactly what we thought, but we're gonna keep going. I think I've mentioned it already once, but this is our backyard project. So there's no concern of any utilities going through right where I'm digging. But if you're in a subdivision and you're in your front yard or even your backyard where you have multiple homes, make sure you call 811. Your neighbors and your utility companies will thank you very much. You give them a couple weeks notice, they come out, spray paint your yard, put a couple flags where they need to be, and everything's fine. And you know where not to dig, which is always a good thing. All right, day 2. So we hit Bluff right here, and a lot of this stuff, we've been hitting a lot of this, I guess, I don't know, just rock, shell rock maybe, that sits on top of the bluff, so not actually the bluff, which is a little worrisome, because I thought we were just gonna find a whole bunch of just soft rock, but really, the bluff is here. We found it, and I'm gonna get going back in the machine. Right off, we do have a railroad tie over here. I wanna get out of my way so we can keep working this direction. So I'm gonna bring the Mini X into this way. I'm gonna push all this dirt back and work on getting this. And then we have to start this shell here, or this stair step down, which I have rocks in my way currently, so I should probably move those before I get too far. I kind of put stuff in my way, but nobody called me an experienced operator, so it's all right. I just play one on YouTube.
Because this, like, I would like, you know, we have to put something here and then step down. And honestly, all of that loose gravel, push it this way.
Just push it up here.
Because I don't want it to come much. I would like this all to be.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go any further into the hill.
Yeah.
Right there. We're in the same book. Same chapter. I don't know about the same page. We're in the same chapter. Not even 8 o'clock. Waking all my neighbors up. It's all right, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. They need to be awake anyway. Am I close enough? See how good I am with the thumb this morning. Swing boom. I think it's probably rotten. What do you guys think? Look at that. Got it. So I have right at 2 hours on this machine. We'll see how many more hours I get. I have it for 8. This is gonna be heavy. Ah, it's heavy. That was right. Ugh. Where do we want that tie at? I put it up on the hill and it fell back in, so that was fun. And now it's, well, now I just haven't got it out of the way yet.
Do we need it to hold the dirt back in there?
I don't know, maybe here?
Like underneath the log?
Yeah. Yeah, I could probably just keep it there for now.
That, but...
If I roll it up this way some. I have 2 hours on it, 2.1. That's where I'm at right now.
that way with it a little bit more?
That's fine. Good enough for now. All right.
Yep.
Found it again.
Yeah.
Every homeowner's dream to find bluff when they're digging. Typically not, but in this case, it's exactly what we're looking for. To show you what we're messing with here is, you see all this dirt still here, and obviously you can't get right there on top of it with the skid, or with this mini axe. So you get it good enough, and you can kind of see that's the bluff that we're trying to expose. Then ideally, once we get it all done, we'll clean it off with a pressure washer, and it's gonna be beautiful. What's interesting is right here, I know it's a flat shovel, so it won't have the same impression, but I'm really not hitting it. Okay, right here. So right here is actually just kind of solid dirt. So once I expose this bluff right here and this bluff right here, our theory currently is that this is gonna be able to plant something because for whatever reason, there's a hole in the bluff. So of course, just like any project, it's already changing. All right, enough talking. Uh-oh, Jordan. Why is that popped open? I'm sorry. Glad you're worried about me. I wanted to know why that was, because that and that happened at the same time.
Maybe you hit it. It kind of jarred it.
No, I get charged by the hour here. I gotta fix that. It shouldn't have. I did open it last night, but okay. All right, we're good.
Yeah, you're gonna hit. Yep, the penny park.
Yay! That was fun. I'm watching you guys.
Okay, not close enough.
Keep it going.
Now the trick is to not break the log. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. That wasn't supposed to happen.
Yeah, but I think it's alright. Let's try to.
Look how pretty it looks now. Dakota. What are you trying to do here?
It's so pretty.
You want to roll it, or you want to keep that up?
I definitely wanted that up.
Okay, then I would keep it that way because the other two sides are broke.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think you just leave the stuff too. Yeah, I mean we'll probably cover this with dirt anyway.
Well, yeah, that'll all be covered with dirt.
Yeah, so I just leave that.
Yeah, you may stand by me.
Yeah, we'll need to put a rock underneath it though.
Like we need to pull it back. Me and Kodo pull it back, and you.
Put some rocks under it.
Yeah.
so it stops moving.
Okay, you come help me hold it, okay, Coda?
Okay.
Let's do this.
You got it? Okay.
Get it, girl. Rosie the Riveter. Go like this, Coda. Let me see the muscles this morning. Let me see the pop-ups.
Yeah, girl.
We don't need the fart sounds.
Penny's part.
Watch out. We're good. Choo-choo.
You roll that thing down and then I'll.
That's a good idea. I got the steel toes on. Where's it going?
Right here.
First one up here?
Yeah.
The first one up here is the winner. The first one to me is
Not
the
all the way up
winner.
against the.
The first one to me is the winner. It's gonna race to me.
Well, right now I'm racing to get this rock in the ground.
Think a little bit farther back.
I think
How about this?
further up unless we shovel out back there.
Well, we're gonna put another layer of rocks.
I know, but like it's not, it's leaning, so just shovel that out. I know. Dakota, can you hear me?
Hand me that shovel, Dakota. That's what I was getting at. Got that one right there.
I'm gonna go get my gloves on.
I got it.
Hot.
No, it's not.
This is it.
Okay.
Because the sun is really hot.
Is that?
Not exactly, but that'll work. Like under it now. Oh, well, it's in my way.
Well, Penny's really wet.
Yeah.
She's been in that water.
Yeah, she got in that water.
Come on, Penny. Penny, come on. Penny.
It's a beaut.
I think so, right?
Love it. Next.
Ready, set, go.
Got it?
Yep.
You got this, Daddy. You got this.
Thanks for cheering me on, Dakota.
You're a good cheerer, Coda.
Go, Daddy, go. Go, Daddy, go. Go, Daddy, go. Go, Daddy, go.
If that doesn't make your day, I don't know what will.
Make dinner.
Oh,
I
Pointy
won't
side up.
be hungry when we make dinner.
this side up.
How's that?
It's good.
I like it. What do you think?
Be awesome if the moss stays, but it's gonna be too hot here and moss is gonna die.
We're going to be taking out that barberry bush that's right there. It's thorny. We don't like it there, so he's going to dig it out for me. Can you, yeah. Oh. So, oh, you almost had it. There you go. Look how easy that was. We're on day 2 after lunch. We have definitely gotten somewhere. I feel a little less nervous about the project, a little. This big flat spot you see right here, that's all the bluff that we have. And then you can kind of see how we're stacking the rocks and the different trees to create levels and little planting pockets all over. Some of them are very deep compared to what they were. We did have to go significantly deeper in this hole than we had anticipated to hit solid bluff, because the layer on top of it was not solid bluff, but overall I think it's turning out pretty good. We have a long way to go at this point still. We still have to level out the rest of the yard. Kind of see it is a mess. Big giant hole. Right here is where the steps, we did decide that this spot right here, going up to the patio, is where we're going to have our steps, our pathway area. Not sure what we're making it out of yet, but that's where it's gonna go, right here in this little shoop up that way. You kind of see the elevation change a little bit more here. Not sure how that's showing up in the video, but all of this over here, all of that dirt still has to be pushed off, kind of sloped off the hill a little bit, because this is all solid bluff, or pretty solid. And then this dirt is going to help level off the yard, because right here in this area of the yard had some wavy, some low spots.